Good day viewer, this is a trick for quadratic equation. What do we need to do? We need to just find this possible solution for this polynomial of the degree 2. And we know that the possible solution is going to be what? It's going to be certainly 2 because it's a polynomial of the what? Of the degree 2. So what do? We are using the sum and product. So since we know that this is the sum and this is the what? This is the product. So automatically just know that this sum, don't forget this is a trick. So if you want a more detailed video, go into my channel and check out for the videos. Now what do we do here? This is the sum. So the sum, all you need to do is what? You multiply with what? With a negative 1 and you half it. So you have minus 6 if you do that. So what is the product? The product remains 20. So you take your difference of two squares. You have minus 6. You subtract x from it. And you have minus 6, which is the product, minus what? Plus x, sorry. Because this is the difference of two squares. So equate it to what? To your 20. So if you are doing your difference of two squares, you are going to come out with what? Minus 6 squared minus x squared equals to what? To 20. Rewriting this with the what? With your product of two squared. So this becomes 36 minus x squared equals to 20. And if you rewrite this is x squared equals to 36 minus 20, which is equals to what? 36 minus 20, we get what? 16. And if you take your, since we have x squared here, which means that x will be equals to what? To 4. That is it. So what do we do now? So plug in your value for x. What is x? Now x is 4. So plugging the 4 back here, we have minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4. So x certainly will be equals to, don't forget, it's a polynomial of the degree 2. So it's certainly going to come out with two solutions. So plugging your value of 4 into here, you are going to get minus 6 minus 4. We have, that will be minus 10, or minus 6 plus 4, that will be minus 2. So those are the two solutions to that what? To that question. Let's see how are we going to use it here also. Still very simple. Just say your sum and your what and your product. So the same thing applied, the same principle applied. Half your what? Your 14 and multiply with a minus side. Since we already have a minus sign here, so it's going to become positive. So we have just 7 here. And don't forget your product remains 24. So what do we do? Subtract the same thing that applies here. Subtract what? X from here to make it look like a difference of square and add x to it. So you equate it to your product, which is your 24. So what do we have here? 7 times 7, that is just writing a product of, just write it as a difference of two square. That is 49, sorry. That will be 49 minus x square equals 24. Rewriting that, you have x square equals 49 minus 24. And that will come out to be what? X will finally be what? So everything will become 25. So if you take your square root of 25, you are going to come out with 5. So if you are plugging your value back there, x is going to be what? 7 minus x. What is x now? X is 5. So 7 minus 5, you have 2, or 7 plus 5, you have 12. So that is just how simple it is. Now, if you want miscellaneous, you can see the question on the screen. Try that question for yourself. The solution is 3 or half. Try it and see if you can use this simple trick to bring out the solutions. If you are yet to subscribe, subscribe and stay tuned.